What is the most popular robot movie? It's one of those questions that seems simple, but the answer changes depending on who you ask, because popularity can be measured in many ways, by the money it makes, its impact on culture, or how its characters win our hearts. If we're talking about global popularity, it's impossible not to mention Star Wars. While not the main protagonists, R2-D2 and C-3PO are, without a doubt, the most recognizable and beloved robots in movie history worldwide. Their presence in popular culture is unmatched, and they are instantly identifiable by almost anyone. But if popularity is measured by box office success, then Transformers is the undisputed champion. This saga of giant robots that transform into cars has grossed billions of dollars worldwide, making it one of the most commercially successful robot franchises of all time. And if popularity is measured by its impact on culture, there's nothing like the Terminator. The T-800, an unstoppable killing machine, not only redefined science fiction but also created one of the most iconic and terrifying representations of a robot in film. Finally, if we're talking about emotional popularity, we can't forget WALL-E. This Pixar film was critically acclaimed and won the hearts of audiences of all ages with its emotional story and its main character, who is so endearing. In the end, the most popular robot depends on the metric you use. But what is certain is that these are the true champions of cinema.